In this video, we will explore everything you need to know about Bitcoin in the current landscape. As we stand on the brink of a new era of digital currency, Bitcoin continues to be at the forefront, shaping the way we think about money and finance. Right now, the price of Bitcoin is around $69,000. This video will explain what Bitcoin is, why it matters, and what's happening with it right now. We'll talk about recent events and what they mean for Bitcoin's future. This isn't just for experts. Whether you know a lot about Bitcoin or you're just starting to learn, this video has information for you. Let's get started. Understanding the Bitcoin scene. Today, the world of Bitcoin is ever-changing. Right now, Bitcoin's price sits just below $69,000, showing a big jump from a few years back. This rise reflects more people getting interested in and trusting Bitcoin. Currently, there are record highs in open interest and exchange inflows. This suggests a strong push for Bitcoin trading. With more investors joining in, it shows that people are feeling hopeful about Bitcoin's future. But Bitcoin can be unpredictable. Its price can swing a lot in a short time, which can mean big wins or losses for investors. That's why it's crucial to keep up with the latest news and trends to manage risks. Governments worldwide are starting to regulate Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies to protect investors and keep the financial system stable. So, the Bitcoin world today is full of potential, but it's also risky. It's a good time to be part of it, but you need to stay careful and informed to make the most of it. Understanding Bitcoin halving. Bitcoin halving is a significant event in the world of cryptocurrency. Essentially, it's when the rewards for mining new Bitcoins are cut in half. The next Bitcoin halving is expected to happen between April 19th and April 21st, 2024. This will slash the rewards for mining new blocks from 6.25 Bitcoins to 3.125 Bitcoins per block. So, instead of around 900 new Bitcoins each day, there will be about 450. But why does this happen? And what does it mean for Bitcoin? Here's a straightforward explanation. 1. What is Bitcoin halving? Bitcoin halving is a predetermined event coded into the Bitcoin protocol. Approximately every 4 years, the reward given to Bitcoin miners for verifying transactions and adding them to the blockchain is halved. This reduction in rewards is what's known as Bitcoin halving. 2. Why does Bitcoin halving occur? Bitcoin halving occurs as part of Bitcoin's design. It's built into the code to control the supply of Bitcoin. By reducing the rate at which new Bitcoins are created, Bitcoin halving helps ensure that Bitcoin remains a deflationary currency. In other words, it helps maintain scarcity, similar to how precious metals like gold are scarce. 3. How does Bitcoin halving work? Bitcoin halving works on a fixed schedule. Every 210,000 blocks mined, which roughly translates to around 4 years, the reward given to miners is cut in half. This process continues until the maximum supply of 21 million Bitcoins is reached, which is expected to occur around the year 2140. 4. What effect does Bitcoin halving have? The immediate effect of Bitcoin halving is a reduction in the supply of new Bitcoins entering the market. With fewer new Bitcoins being mined, there is less selling pressure from miners. This scarcity can potentially lead to an increase in demand for Bitcoin, which may drive up its price. 5. Miners' response. Miners are those who validate transactions and earn Bitcoin, are getting ready for the changes. They're looking at different ways to make money, like selling stocks or using savings. Even though their rewards are getting cut in half, miners are hopeful because Bitcoin's value is going up and transaction fees are higher. Bitcoin price and halving history. Now that we've covered the basics of Bitcoin halving, let's take a closer look at how this event has historically impacted Bitcoin's price. 1. First Bitcoin halving, 2012. In November 2012, the first Bitcoin halving occurred, reducing the mining reward from 50 to 25 Bitcoins per block. Following this event, Bitcoin's price experienced a significant surge. Starting at around $11 before the halving, Bitcoin's price soared to approximately $1,100 within a year. 2. Second Bitcoin halving, 2016. In July 2016, the second Bitcoin halving took place, further reducing the mining reward to 12.5 Bitcoins per block. Once again, Bitcoin's price saw a remarkable increase. Beginning around $600 before the halving, Bitcoin reached highs of $20,000 about 18 months later. 3. Third Bitcoin halving, 2020. The most recent Bitcoin halving occurred in May 2020, reducing the mining reward to 6.25 Bitcoins per block. Despite occurring during uncertain times due to the COVID-19 pandemic, Bitcoin's price still followed a similar pattern. Starting at approximately $8,000 before the halving, Bitcoin surged to reach highs of $63,000 in April 2021. 4. Current Bitcoin halving, 2024. As we approach the upcoming Bitcoin halving scheduled for April 2024, there's anticipation surrounding its potential impact on Bitcoin's price. Observing historical trends, some investors speculate that Bitcoin's price may experience another significant increase following the halving event. It's important to note that while Bitcoin halving events have historically been associated with price surges, they are not the sole factor influencing Bitcoin's price. Various external factors, market sentiment, and investor behavior also play significant roles in determining the price of Bitcoin. Speculations and predictions. Looking ahead to the upcoming Bitcoin halving event in 2024, there's a lot of talk about what might happen to Bitcoin's price. While it's tempting to make predictions based on past halving events, it's important to keep things simple and realistic. 1. Before the halving. Before the halving, people might get excited and expect Bitcoin's price to go up. This anticipation could lead to more people buying Bitcoin, hoping to profit from the event. 2. After the halving. Right after the halving, we might not see much change in Bitcoin's price. It could take some time for the effects of the halving to kick in and for Bitcoin's price to start moving. 3. Different views. People have different opinions about what will happen to Bitcoin's price after the halving. Some think it will keep going up, while others are more cautious and think it might not be as straightforward. 4. Long-term outlook. In the long run, it's hard to say for sure what will happen to Bitcoin's price. There are many factors at play, like changes in the market, new regulations, and advances in technology. In the end, while it's natural to wonder about Bitcoin's future, it's best to approach predictions with a dose of realism. Nobody can predict the future with certainty, so it's essential to stay informed, be cautious, and not get carried away by hype or speculation. Conclusion. In conclusion, while there's a lot of speculation and excitement surrounding the upcoming Bitcoin halving event, it's crucial to approach the situation with a level head. Predicting Bitcoin's future price is tricky, and there are no guarantees. Remember, it's essential to stay informed, do your research, and not get caught up in the hype. While Bitcoin has shown remarkable growth in the past, it's also subject to volatility and uncertainty. So, as you navigate the world of cryptocurrency, keep things simple, stay cautious, and make informed decisions. And if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more straightforward explanations and insights into the world of Bitcoin and cryptocurrency.